Capturing leads automatically from social media is one of the smartest ways to grow your business without spending all your time manually reaching out to prospects. And in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set it up efficiently. Stick around to the end and I'll reveal a game-changing tool that can help automate this process. And I've got an exclusive free trial just for you, viewers of my channel. First off, the key to capturing leads automatically is to use a tool that integrates with the platforms you're already active on: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others. You need software that can capture the contact details of potential customers directly from your posts, ads, or even comments. Imagine if you didn't have to manually chase down leads every time someone interacted with your content. Now let's talk about the software we'll be using today. I've tested several popular tools, and this one stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. It connects directly to your social media accounts, pulls in the lead data, and can send that info straight into your CRM, email marketing platform, or even a Google Sheet. You don't need to do any coding or complicated setups. So how does it work? Well, the first step is to connect your social media accounts to the software. It's simple. Just log into your account on the software's dashboard and authorize access. Once that's done, you can start creating campaigns. The next step is setting up the forms or the lead magnets that will capture your audience's details. Whether you're offering a free download, a webinar, or a discount, you can customize your form to match your branding and the incentive you're offering. Make sure your form is straightforward and easy to complete. Just ask for the essentials: name, email, phone number. Once your forms are set up, you'll want to integrate them into your social media content. For example, you can link to these forms directly from your Instagram bio, create Facebook ads with a sign up button, or even set up an automated response to direct people to the lead form through direct messages. This way, your followers can sign up without leaving the platform. The best part? Once someone fills out a form, the software automatically captures their information and logs it in your system. You won't need to worry about manually entering contact details, and you can start nurturing your leads right away. But here's the big secret. By automating the capture of leads, you're freeing up time to focus on engaging with prospects, creating valuable content, or even working on your business strategy. The key is to find a solution that works in the background without you having to micromanage it. If you're wondering how to get started, I've made it easy for you. In the description below, I've linked to the exclusive free trial of the software we use today. It's available only for viewers of my channel, so make sure to take advantage of that. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Capturing leads automatically from social media is all about setting up the right systems and using the right tools. By integrating your social media with an automated system, you can gather leads 24/7 without doing the manual work. To recap, connect your accounts, create your lead forms, share them on your platforms, and let the software do the heavy lifting. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial from the description to get started today. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.